What's going on, guys? It's Joey. We just pulled up to this spot here. I'm in Winona, Minnesota. I'm gonna be trying to show you like around this little area. It's a cool little area. You know, it's like a boat landing. There's a dock. I'll end up showing you around here with a cool little montage that I put together. So if you guys want to see more of this, let me know. Just comment on the video. Say, you know, give me ideas what you guys want. If you do stumble across this video, just send me an idea of what you guys want to see, and I will go from there. Other than that, if you guys did enjoy, of course, like, you know, subscribe, stuff like that. But we will see you in the next video.